All right, guys, this is the Skills PWRCORE 20 compact drill driver. This is a great little tool. I really like this because of the size. I mean, it's just so small. It really feels like it's about the size of some of my 12 volts, which I like, but this has got 20 volt. Brushless motor, which is great. You have a 1/2 inch keyless ratcheting chuck, which is nice. This thing works great. Super easy to use. Pretty standard, most of these. You have 17 clutch settings here, and this is really just going to help you so that you don't over and tighten screws. Then, of course, you have a drill setting as well. You have a work light, and you can turn it on and off, so it will actually come on when you pull the trigger, but you can also turn it off and then turn it on, and it'll stay on for 10 minutes, which is really nice, especially if you're working on something and you don't have a lot of light. It has 450 inch-pounds of torque. Your speeds on your gears are 0 to 500 RPMs, and 2 is 0 to 1800 RPMs. And you also have here a variable speed trigger, so you're going to see that, which is nice. Honestly, I really like this thing. I mean, it's so compact, it's small. It's really easy to carry around, and it carries quite a bit of power. So definitely would recommend it to anybody. Just a nice little drill.